Hey everyone, John Cruz here, Worldwide Auctioneers, to invite you to check out this 1947 Delahaye 135M Cabriolet. I really like the Pennock coachwork. You don't see it very often. Many bespoke features on this that you don't see in other open Delahayes. My favorite part about this car is the quality of the restoration. It's just come out of a multi-year restoration, attention to detail, and it was determined to restore this car to that level because it has tremendous history. We know all the owners, it's been well cared for. Before this restoration, I actually participated in numerous events, concours. However, since this restoration, it is fresh to the show circuit, so it's a great opportunity to buy a wonderful, rarely seen, high quality car and take it on to the show field and try to win some awards.